Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GTR. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, everything here looks fine. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips in the front. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. I do not see any scratches on this door at all. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. The spoiler is in excellent condition. There are no scratches. And the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. I do not see a scratch here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger door. This door looks fine. I do not see any scratches on it at all. Now we're going to take a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. Everything here is in good condition. So the passenger side is perfect as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car does have navigation and backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that there is no wear and tear in here at all. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear here at all. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.